Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to put the Celsius symbol into Microsoft Word documents. It's a straightforward process that ensures your temperature readings are displayed correctly and professionally. We'll start by using the built-in symbol dialog, which is a reliable method for finding and inserting special characters. This approach works across various versions of Word, making it a universally applicable technique for everyone. Let's dive right into the steps. Once the symbol dialog box is open, you'll need to locate the specific degree symbol. Make sure your font is set to normal text for the widest range of characters. Then, navigate to the Latin 1 supplement subset, where you'll find the degree symbol readily available. After inserting the degree symbol, simply type a capital C immediately after it to complete the Celsius notation. This ensures proper scientific and professional representation. For a faster way to insert the degree symbol, you can use an alt code. This method is particularly efficient if you frequently need to add temperature readings. Simply hold down the alt key and, using your numeric keypad, type the numbers 0176. Releasing the alt key will instantly insert the degree symbol. Remember to follow it with a capital C for the complete Celsius notation. To maintain consistency and professionalism, always use the degree symbol immediately followed by a capital C for Celsius. For those who frequently use this symbol, setting up an auto-correct entry in Word can save a lot of time. For example, you could set DEG to automatically convert to the Celsius symbol. This ensures accuracy and efficiency across all your documents, making your work look polished and precise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.